All right, start with our shea butter. Y'all know a little bit about this shea butter? It's good for our skin, and also we are making things with it. A lot of people making things with this beautiful shea butter, and also we do a lot of products come in here that they mix with it. Lip balms, people doing things like soap. They make soap with it. And also, we have different sizes. This is the 1 pound. Here you go to 5 pounds of it. I actually get up in the morning, I almost bathe in this stuff. And we also have the pails. Let's get the pails out the way. This is the 5 pound pail, yes. And let's go to our yellow. And so we said, it's the 1 pound yellow. This is the yellow shape. Come down to our 5 pound block, we call this one. This is the block of the yellow. I particularly like the yellow. This is the root of the shea butter. And let's turn yellow. Our next product is, we're missing one, is called cocoa butter. Everybody know what this cocoa butter can do for you. Very good stuff. A lot of people make a lot of products with the cocoa butter. Nice big one. If you like to have a lot of products made, don't take very much with this cocoa butter to come in. I smell it already coming out of the bag.